I am scrambling, you guys, because today is a big day. First day back in the water after my nose surgery.
Hiya, big nose.
I'm nervous for a lot of reasons. One, if I nail my nose somehow on the board, it could wreck it. But I'm also nervous because I haven't surfed in, man, it's been over a month. We're gonna see what happens, so let's get moving.
Oh, hey, how's it going, Jack?
Pretty good. You know, I just got down to the beach and you say there's surfing going on out there today?
Oh, shoot. You're saying there ain't any surf out there, eh?
No, there is.
Oh, where'd you park your car?
Up on, you know, my spot, Highland.
Steward Highland spot, eh? Well, shoot.
Why don't I meet you at your car? I'll just, I'll come look for you.
Okay, sure.
Alrighty, bye-bye now.
Bye.
He's a Minnesota boy. Anyhow, it's time to get down to the beach. I'm not gonna do any filming until this board hits the water. Here we go. Oh man, you guys, that was so much fun. I hit, I would say probably like 4 or 5 decent rides. 3 of them were right, going right, you know, the direction, which is not my good side. So I'm proud of that for sure. Just felt super good to get out there with my friends, work the body a bit, feel the sunshine, and get a nice little thrill in the process. So we're gonna keep this vlog rolling along. Rylie is coming over, and I think we're gonna go for our very first motorcycle ride together. We'll wait for her to get here and we'll keep this thing moving. Well, hello.
Hi. Hello.
You're
there.
on camera.
Hello.
You look
Online
good.
people.
Yeah, you look really good.
You're gonna entertain me today, right?
Yeah, I'm entertaining. We're gonna go cruising. We're gonna go real fast, and it's gonna be fun. Look how pretty she is. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. All right, well, we're gonna get up there, and we'll see you in a sec. Uh-oh, back down.
Oh.
All right, she's all ready. Looking good, like for real. Looking real good. It's time to see what kind of rider you are.
Oh. I'm the best rider there ever was. Okay.
I believe that.
Cut that out. Don't put that in there.
No, that's going in.
Well, Jack doesn't know it yet. I'm the one who's driving.
No.
Yes. Yes,
No.
yes.
Excuse me, do you have your M1 license?
Excuse me,
you
but
don't.
do you have your forklift license?
No, I don't, but
You don't.
take this.
Do you have your
Actually,
rock
you know what?
climbing certification? No, you don't.
Yeah, well, have you ever climbed Devil's Tower? No, you haven't. Have you ever climbed the Grand Teton?
Have you ever
No, you haven't.
climbed Mount Whitney? No.
No, I
you
haven't.
haven't.
Have you?
I sure have.
Oh gosh.
So you
Yeah.
did? It's COVID on it.
All right, so she is getting all geared up.
Starting to feel like a real motorcycle woman.
Yeah, you are.
A biker chick.
All right, we're gonna strap up these cameras and hit the road. what do you think?
That was great. That was so fun. There was one point where, well, a few times he went really fast. I felt like it was fast. And I started sliding off. But yeah,
we might have to get her a little back rest or something.
But it was so fun.
We're gonna keep this vlog rolling on. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna keep it going. So, on to the next activity. Okay guys, so back up at the house. It's a brand new day, and Riley's about to take off, but first I'm gonna take her on my running route.
I'm excited. This is only our second time going running together.
It's true.
Yeah, so it'll be fun.
Now, normally you would think like, oh, the ocean's right there. You're gonna go run by the ocean, but that's not what I do. I go through the neighborhoods. I like being in the hood. So I'm gonna take her on this run, and then she's gonna take off. Ready to go.
Let's do this.
All right, here we go. You ready to run?
Ready.
Let's do it.
All right.
We had a good run.
Yeah, it was so.
And,
it was
and
fun.
by run, I mean like physical run, not like we had a good run, kid, but we're done. Aww.
Always so fun with you.
Always.
Yeah.
You don't get to see this part. Bye-bye. Well, guys, I think that's gonna do it for another episode of The Pursuit is Happiness. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. It just means a lot that you're sticking around watching what I'm doing. And isn't it great having Riley? She's the best. And I'm excited for more and more adventures with her. But keep watching. We're gonna have videos. We're gonna keep them going and going and going. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff. We'll see you next week.